Hey everybody, today we're going to do a wiper change, so let's get to it. Okay, first things first, once you come in here, you're going to come in and hit the car icon here. Then from there, go into service at the top, wiper service mode. The wipers will come up just like that. All right, so we've got our wipers here from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description here. You can get them from Tesla website as well. This vehicle has about 35,000 miles on it, and I think this is the first time we've changed the wipers here. I usually use Rain-X on here, and that works really well. So the ones I recommend that you get are the ones that have this type of tab on it, just like this right here. That way it fits right in there. There's no changing these adapters, and they're ready to go. All right, first thing, you can lift the wiper up, push this button in, slide your old one off, and put them off to the side. We're going to grab the replacement and slide it right in. And repeat the same for the other one. That's it, there we go. All right, now that we've got those done, we're gonna go in the car and just turn the wiper mode off, and that is it. All right, wiper service mode off. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. If you appreciate the short one, leave me a note down in the comments. I'll see you guys again soon.